let's talk about Germany. In the Germany, they provide best medical treatment, best medical facilities to the citizens of their country. Okay, let's talk about America, where means you can say plenty of facilities are provided by the government to the people. People are becoming addicted of toxins over there. They take opium, they take drugs. So don't you find that when you have got less population, more facilities are provided by the government and they become lazy, and the moment they start becoming lazy, they start becoming addicted of drugs, and it is happening in America. It is happening in the European countries. Why? Because they have nothing to do. They are getting free beans. They are getting free beans. Free beans means that they are getting money without putting labor. And that's why you find that Indians are occupying their jobs. In universities, Indians are professors. In Silicon Valley, Indian softwares are working. In construction, Indians are working. Everywhere you find that Indians are occupying their job, because in India they live in very difficult condition, and the moment they get opportunity to work over there, they flourish themselves. They earn money and they are replacing them. So don't you find that by giving more facilities you are going to make them lazy? You are going to make them lazy, man.
Sir, in our country, 130% people are jobless, and they have no business, they have no source. So I face every day many people they are very critical situation face like. So I want to say that if in our country small people, so we can achieve a big target, big goal, and we can earn lot of money. For example, Germany, Japan, they have a large small people population, but they have need people, so they hire to other country like Nepal, India, and Pakistan, and other countries. So according my point of view, minimum should be minimum population.
Okay, there is no problem. Don't you find that somewhere he is right? Because he believes that means large population means you don't utilize the potential of them. For an example, in the train accidents, hundreds of people in India die. In stampede, we lose hundreds of people every year. See what? Because of this large population, we don't respect the life of humans. They are dying like the small insects.
Yes, somewhere uncle is, yes, he is right. So I think that he is absolutely right. When we will having less population, so everyone will be thinking about our economy, and they will be saving and they will be developing the people. They will not be like lazy for them. They will not be like today, if you're talking, like you said the example that people are dying like insects. So when we will have less population, so everyone will be thinking our population, that we have less population. If we don't develop them, so nothing will happen to our country. We cannot be developed. So somewhere he is right.
Somewhere he is right. So don't you find that we are running after the development beta? What is your opinion? Because Bhutan does not believe in the development. They believe in humanity. They believe in peace. So don't you find that population is a natural phenomena? If it is decreasing, let it decrease. If it is increasing, let it increase. So don't you find that we should look for peace rather than the development? Because we are talking about population in context of the development. Large population means large market. Large market means large consumption. Large consumption means large investment. Don't you find that now humans are not human? They are being treated like the assets. How much do you perform for my country? How much does he perform for my country? Humans are not humans nowadays. Now they have been converted into machines with the help of the education. Look, means what is happening? Everywhere skill is being talked about. Humanity is not being talked about. So don't you find that we are discussing this issue because we want to earn money through large population. So population is not an issue, small or big. We want to be a developed nation. We want to earn money through the people. That's why we want large or small population. I think we should think about peace.
Sir, yes, I agree with the point that you are saying. somewhere there is a peace also, because now this time most of the people, they are suffering from the mental health rather than the physical health. They are going to like some studies say that after the 10 year, most of the people, they are suffering from stress, anxiety, because of the peer pressure and the skill that they have.
As you are from the medical field, or you see the people over there, don't you find that means large population creates large competition? You find that the Indian doctors are rewarded across the world. Why? Because they are good at clinical practices. Means by the pulse they can tell you what kind of disease you are suffering from. It is, but it is not. But it is not in America, because they are more dependent on the technology. Before diagnosing anything, they prescribe or they recommend many kind of tests. So don't you find that because of this large population, large competition, we are getting quality people? You find that when Narendra Modi ji came into office, okay, in 2014, and today we have got 2025. In these last 10 years, we have got the second largest ecosystem for the you can say there's a word, initiative. Out of box things, what do we call that? No. Startups. Okay, so we have got the second largest ecosystem for the startups. Don't you find that it is happening because of large population, because of skilled people?
People are getting better day by day. They are getting education, but I think the people who is rich, only they are getting education, better education. But it is not about just the rich people who have getting the education. We are talking about all the population of the India country, and in India, maybe 80% of people are not rich. Not the most of the rich.
95% people are
Ni-
not rich.
not rich. They are living on road, and they are also making an image for other countries that India is look alike this, because most of the people, matlab not most of the, but many of the people lives on the road. So many foreigner people came India and they see that they are begging on the road. They are making an image for our India. If we have less population, we can have more education, we have more skilled. So because of the more population, we are getting more competition. We have to fight for the rank, we have to fight for the position in our country. If we have less population, we can get better education in government school as well, because if we have only one teacher and if we have so many students, 100 students, so we cannot focus on each and every student. So I think we should reduce our population for our betterment.
She has raised a very good opinion. As per the standard of the CBSE, the ratio of the teacher 1 on 40 students means one teacher on the 40 student. If we logically think that, so every student is going to get 1 minute of the teacher. How can I make somebody skilled in the 1 minute? It means we have got the large population, less teacher. If I talk about Ireland, where the ratio is 1 teacher on 8 students. If I talk about Finland, Denmark and the other countries where they have got 1 teacher on the 12 students. So somewhere she is right, means large population needs large education system. Large population needs large resources, and right now we don't have. You find that in the rainy season what happens? There is water till knee, or there is water till knee in the streets of India. You find that in the sectors also the condition is same. You find that there are electric cuts. We don't have the good infrastructure in the government school. So ultimately what are we doing? We are converting our cement into soil. We are converting our young people into soil. Why? Because without providing them skills, they will not be successful, and those who are not successful, they will be the burden for your nation. No doubt about it. But beta, there is a very simple question for you. For an example, South Korea. What is happening in South Korea? In South Korea, they don't have people for the blue collar jobs. Blue collar jobs, they don't have people they don't have people to work in the MSMEs. MSMEs, you understand? Small scale industries. They don't have people to work over there. In the same manner, Canada is a very big country, but they don't have people to work over there. They are inviting people across the world to run their country. Same thing is happening with other countries also, for example, Australia. For example, Japan. So don't you find that population is not an issue? Education is an issue.
Education is a problem.
Education is a problem. We need to provide them education. They can change the destiny of India. Okay? Well done, beta. Yes. Show me. Beta, what is your next opinion? Would you like to add something? Would you like to add something? Yes? Add something. I have a very simple question for you. As AI has been started by American companies, by the company of China, but don't you find that the Indian people are going to use it most? They have started learning AI.